CBI saying that they don't want police custody of Chidambaram, but at the same time, the former minister will remain in CBI custody until the 5th.
Well, very, very interesting change of gears by the CBI before the Supreme Court. Yesterday, our viewers will recall, what was very interesting when Mr. P Chidambaram and his team offered an insight as to how Mr. Chidambaram at this point in time is absolutely averse to being lodged in the Tihar jail. And that has led to CBI now changing strategy in the Supreme Court. The CBI informing the Supreme Court as to how Mr. Chidambaram can be sent to judicial custody so that he can be lodged now in the Tihar jail, which we saw yesterday was again hotly contested by Mr. P Chidambaram and his counsels, and Mr. Kapil Sibal informing the Supreme Court that the 15 days remand of CBI will technically end on the 5th of September and not today. But despite that, the solicitor representing the CBI pressed before the Supreme Court that the CBI is no longer interested in police custody of Mr. P Chidambaram, and the court must allow law to take its own course, indicating that the former minister can now be sent to Tihar under the judicial custody aspect, Avni. However, the Supreme Court has directed for now Mr. P Chidambaram to remain in CBI custody till the 5th of September. And interestingly, Mr. Chidambaram's counsels have also told the Supreme Court that they will not press for interim bail before the trial court until the top court passes further orders on the same. So remember, in a short while from now, Avni, he's likely to be produced. Not likely, beg your pardon, he will be produced before the Rouse Avenue Court premises, where the special judge, Avni, viewers will recall, yesterday had found himself in a fix when Chidambaram and his counsels were pressing before the special judge to decide on the interim bail of Mr. P Chidambaram yesterday itself. So that will no longer happen because Chidambaram's counsels have assured the Supreme Court they will not press for interim bail before the special judge till the Supreme Court passes further orders on the same. And for now, the status quo will continue at least till the 5th of September. What we saw today was a very, very interesting change of stance, a change of gears, a change of strategy by the CBI before the top court.